Hi everyone, this is Dr. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞. Let's dive deep into the fundamental aspect of leadership, that is the power of vision. Most of the people are talking about power of vision, but what vision leadership is all about? Let's discuss that. Why vision is so important? Imagine steering a ship without a captain's vision. It will drift aimlessly. So, leadership is also not different. A compelling vision provides direction, motivation, and purpose. It's the magnetic force that pulls the team together towards success. And we'll explore why this is crucial. Before that, ask yourself a few questions. What's your vision as a leader is? How does it shape your journey? Share your thoughts and stay tuned as we unlock the incredible power of vision in leadership.